Have you ever seen a man whose wealth and influence shake an entire country before? A man whose name alone sparks curiosity, admiration, and even controversy. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Obi Cubana, the king of luxury, the mogul of hospitality, and the man behind some of the biggest business empires in Nigeria. But wait, is he just another rich businessman, or is there more to his story? Sit tight, because today on Ebony People TV, we unravel the rise of Obi Cubana, his journey from humble beginnings to the billionaire spotlight, his lifestyle, and the powerful circle of friends he rolls with. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Obi Iyegu, popularly known as Obi Cubana, wasn't born into riches or fame just like we would see it today. In fact, his journey to wealth started in a way that many Nigerians can relate to. He was born on April 12, 1975 in Oba, Anambra State. He grew up in a typical Igbo household where hard work and resilience were values instilled from childhood. He attended the prestigious University of Nigeria, Nsukka, UNN, where he graduated with a degree in political science. Now, who would have thought a political science graduate would go on to dominate Nigeria's business and hospitality industry? But life had bigger plans for him. Many people think Obi Cubana's wealth came overnight, but that's far from the truth. His journey started in 2006 when he opened the first club, Ibiza nightclub in Abuja, and the goal? To create a high-class entertainment hub for elites and party lovers. Obi Cubana wasn't just building nightclubs, he was building a brand, a lifestyle, and in 2009, he launched the iconic Cubana Group, which grew into a powerhouse in Nigeria's hospitality sector. Today, Cubana Group controls a vast empire of nightclubs, hotels, lounges, and restaurants across the country. Some of the top establishments under the Cubana Group include Opium by Cubana Owerri, Casa Cubana in Abuja, The Grind by Cubana in Lagos, Montana by Cubana in Lagos, Pablo by Cubana in Lagos, Cubana Signature Abuja, Puzo by Cubana Abuja, Caledonian Suites Abuja, Crave by Cubana Abuja, Hustle and Bustle Abuja, Grand Cubana Hotels Abuja, Cubana Gustavo Enugu, Ibiza Nightclub Abuja. And just like Cubana Group, do you know Ebony People TV is setting new standards in media, storytelling, and digital influence? We are inviting investors who want to be part of a fast-growing and highly profitable media platform. With an expanding audience, high engagement, and premium content, Ebony People TV offers an incredible opportunity to maximize returns. By investing in our channel, you are not just funding a media brand, you're becoming part of a powerful movement, a trusted voice for the people, and a platform that delivers visibility, influence, and profitability. Now is the time to act. The media industry is booming, and we are at the forefront of this transformation. Partner with us today and watch your investment grow. For investment inquiries, chat with us now via the number showing on your screen.
Your man I love so much. Dr. E. Dr. E. Dr. E. Oh, get there. Mommy, mom. I don't be saying stop. Casey. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's too much. Nice sacrifice. Nice sacrifice. No, that I agree. I concur. If you're too much. Oh, Gele, the barista, Gele. Otumba one. Daddy. Hey, Jesus. I can't make a wedding.
Dare to mention the name Cubana from Lagos to Abuja, Enugu to Owerri, and all over Nigeria, you'll instantly think of luxury, exclusivity, and big money moves. Now, talking about the parts that makes Obi Cubana one of the most talked about men in Nigeria, his lifestyle. From flying private jets to throwing some of the most extravagant parties in Nigeria history. Obi Cubana knows how to make a statement. Who can forget the legendary burial of his mother in Oba, Anambra State in 2021? The entire country was talking about it. Celebrities, politicians, and billionaires showed up in private jets, and wads of cash rained like confetti. Some called it the biggest money spray in history, but behind the glitz and glamour, Obi Cubana remains a man of strategy and business acumen. His wealth isn't just about luxury, it's about smart investment, connections, and an empire that keeps expanding. In the world of business, your network is your net worth, and Obi Cubana plays his game like a master. He maintains strong relationships with top Nigerian Igbo billionaires and businessmen like E-Money, Joey Zaza, Pascal Chibuike, among so many others. These alliances have helped him expand his empire and solidify his dominance in the hospitality industry. From deals with major brands to exclusive partnerships in real estate and entertainment, in transportation, and every other business you can think of. Obi Cubana isn't just a socialite, he is a business titan. So, how much is Obi Cubana really worth? This is a question that gets many wondering and thinking for a long time. Well, while exact figures remain undisclosed, estimates place his net worth in the range of $500 million US to $1 billion US. His investments cut across hospitality, real estate, premium liquor business, and entertainment industry. And let's not forget the millions he makes from brand endorsements, international partnerships, and side businesses that most people don't even know about. So, what do you think about Obi Cubana's rise to the top? Is he just a flashy businessman, or is he a genius who cracked the code to wealth? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you're a business owner looking for visibility, promotions, and media coverage, Ebony People TV is your go-to platform. Chat up the number now showing on your screen, and let's make your brand stand out. See you in the next video.